And here's your gorilla right behind you, Zoe. Take a look.
Okay, that's so cool. That's so
They all have names. They're all registered.
No, it's not. Daddy, take it away. Just take a stupid picture. I'll get mad at you. Take a picture.
Look at me. Sophie, now walk over here. Tip it up more.
No, hey, no.
That way you can get it. Yeah. There you go.
Oh my god, Oh, she wants it. Oh, it's okay. What does she do?
She bites me and lifts me a lot. The most.
Smile.
Ow, 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 ow.
What?
Stop doing that!
Okay. Get out.
Get out! Come on. Scared me.
I need to see this.
Jonah, watch out! Jonah got beat on!
This is your crazy daughter, Christ.
You don't bunk her head.
Oh my.
That's a good job. That's how you touch them. Very nice. That's a
Marco, no. Okay. Uh-oh. She's hungry. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, I got that on video! Should we get back?
Glass is pretty safe.
Wait till you.
Oh!
What? Scaring me.
Turkey call. Now you guys. Thank you.
You gonna feed the llama? Here she comes! Here she comes!
He's a beauty.
Whoa! She says, come on, get up, I'm ready.
Oh, I'm gonna behind the cup. He got out! He got out! Mommy, he got out! Mommy, he got out!
Holy cow. Her hand like.
Come here, you guys. Look at that thing. Come here.
Oh my god, dude.
I think he has it.
Like, let me play with that.
Liam, he's hungry, bud.
Eat Liam for dinner. Look, he's really focused at.
Saying, hey, land it. Woohoo!
They don't do anything.
Oh, so you scared him. That was a sign.
You just look like you're scratching your knee. Like, let me get that for you.
Jack Sparrow.
Anthony, oh my god!
Funny.
I like this. I don't want fit this one.
He wants some. How cute is that?
Oh, keep going, man.
I want that. I want that little baby for. Oh. You can just put his face.
Oh, oh.